countable noun and little is used for uncountable noun. Let's understand easy way. Let's understand the rules. First we see few. Few means very less, almost none. Let's see some examples. He has few coins in his pocket. તેના પોકેટમાં બહુ ઓછા કોઈન છે. She has few toys. તેની પાસે બહુ ઓછા રમકડા છે. Now little. Little means very less, almost none. Let's see some examples. There is little water in the bottle. બોટલમાં બહુ થોડું પાણી છે. There is a little sugar in the jar. જારમાં બહુ થોડી ખાંડ છે. Now key rules. Remember, few is used for countable noun and little is used for uncountable nouns. ગ્રામર ઇઝી છે પણ રૂલ્સ તો યાદ રાખવા પડશે જ.